Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 81 of building the Ecto-1. We're continuing the door. This time we've got the exterior frame to fit. So we've got to put a little bit together. A little bit of surround bits on there like that. And then that fits onto there after we've put the window in place. The little quarter light window just needs to fit in there so that will swivel. And this needs to fit into there well, so that's got to go behind on the inside down there. Can't get this done properly. That's in there with that in there as well. A bit like that. That's not going together. Why is that? Ah, there we go. Yeah, so that goes in there like that. So the window will still open if you push it in the right angle. Get that in the right angle. So that's got to lock in place before I get this screwed in place. Yeah, there we go. Right, they'll be fitted afterwards. So we've got to put the screws in first. We've got two longer screws which go through the big bits down the bottom there, and four smaller ones which go around the outside. So let's try and do that while I'm holding this. Please get a couple of them in place. I'm going to aim for ones over by this window. So that can't escape. One there. Pretty much going to hold it in place, I think. The bottom can't escape that way because of the way the brackets are all held together. One there. One over this side here. We're in the right place. Go, and the one at the top. Just about there. So those tightened down now. That's just about it. Yep, there we go. That one I think I already tightened. Yep, that's okay. The two longer ones, as I say, go through. Down here, hold everything together. One. And that one. Both in, so I can get them both tightened now. Nice. There we have nice shiny surround. So then we've got to put these bits in. Two of those are sticky. One of them is not. So what does it say? Does it give me an order to put them in? Because I don't want to put them in the wrong order. A, B, C. Yeah, that's the last bit. We've got to put the sticky bits in first. That's going to go across the top like so. Nice texture into that. Peel off the backing paper. Hopefully have no trouble at all with this sticky bit like I didn't with the rear view mirror, not the sun visor mirrors. They were no trouble at all putting them on, if you remember that. Yeah, let's get that off there. And then this will just go in place there like that. Into the little groove. Got to fit in place there. Nice, I like that. That goes the same down the side, and this goes in place up there. That's like that. And this one will go just down the edge. That peeled off of there as well. We go. That, and this goes just in there. Finishes it off nicely. That's quite nice. I do like that. So our water light window, pivot open, all closed, and I like that quite a lot. So that's it. Another issue done. There is one more in this pack, and that's going to be, I believe, the window and some more work on the inside of this. So thank you very much for watching. Stick around for more. I shall see you soon for more of this and more other things in between. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. See you soon. Bye bye for now.